This part 2, really, and it really is part 1, cause everybody flaked out last night. So we're back at it Saturday night instead of Friday. Another meet at the top of the parking lot garage. So we're gonna go down there.
Fortunately, we were wrong about it being a rooftop meet.
I done pulled up to both the gas stations. I came to the Shell. Now went back down to the BP, thinking maybe they had the wrong gas station. Said something in the group chat about the wrong gas station, but they didn't. So I guess nobody's out yet at all. So I guess we'll go to the gas station. Go show y'all there's nobody up there. In case folks thinking they gonna lie right quick. Like, yeah, I was up there. No, the heck y'all wasn't. Not one soul up here. Not one stinking soul up here. So, I guess I'll pull up, man. Gas up, give me some little air that I needed and stuff, and then shoot, wait on them. I guess we'll get the footage of the waiter and stuff too. So, whenever more people pop up, I guess I'll turn y'all back on. Show up now. Oh, they gonna try to show up now. I told them don't show up now. Latest y'all niggas, don't show up now. Latest y'all don't show up now. The late entrance don't matter no more. All right.
I'm your evil twin, Mr. Joey.
All right, bro. All right. Look at that boy shit.
You know we got with the power bearers.
We the power bearers. He forgot we the power bearers. I ain't gonna forget, fool. Pulled up. Booty done pulled up. I done moved. I had to go get some air back there. They air all the way back there. Don't worry about it. But that's what I want to show y'all, man. Look at this. I was thinking about, do I really want to go? Do I really not? Look at this. Look at that. Gotta be a sign of good luck. Gotta be a sign of good luck. So I'm definitely gone. All right. So shit. I'm gonna let y'all know we get back on the road. Look at her. Get on my nerve. I want y'all know when I get back. Alright, y'all, we on the road for real. Alright, and then my brother calling me, y'all. So I'm gonna just turn it back on and go close to y'all. Alright, y'all see where we at. 10 minutes of Bartlett. Can't really see the game because we all in a long line. You can see barely in the mirror. But we just got out here. I think we finna get off at the exit. I think people gotta go to the bathroom or something. Maybe, who knows. But we definitely super close. We like 15, 20 minutes out. Probably gonna be 15 the way we drive. And then hopefully we get some straight little content. I heard somebody got a Demon 170 down here, so we gonna definitely see what's going on. As y'all can see what's going on. I think my camera a little, hold on. Alright. That's what's going on. I think I see a cat. You know what I'm saying? C6, you know what I'm saying? Oh, another one. Oh, Stinger, can't sleep on him. Got us, we just pulled up. Nice little line up. So, ooh, I think I was covering the mic. Hopefully not. Look like that nigga done made it. Booty is scared as hell as always. He got his, we ain't doing shit. We ain't even getting out his scary ass. Scary ass nigga. Number 2, 3. I don't know them niggas. Yeah, I think so. Where Jose now? Jose ain't come, did he? He like, fuck up here, let me buy up. Fuck up then. Lame, man. I'm just playing faculty too. Goof ass. Big cat. That was the one that right there. All his head was. Right there. He couldn't hit the block. Gotta hear people. They had to have people hear what it was, huh? These niggas locking their doors. Scary as hell. Scared as hell. These niggas scared. Low scared. Drill scared. How scared is you on a scale of 1 to 10, fool? How scared are you on a 1 to 10 scale? How scared is you? How scared is you on a scale of 1 to 10? These niggas talking about they scared. Woody now.
Talking about when we came in.
Yeah, that's about period. That's now. They're being here, period. Woody.
I was just like, who's that? But that's Sean.
Alright. How scared are you on a scale of 1 to 10? How scared is you?
I'm not moving, dude.
How scared is you on a scale of 1 to 10? Fool?
We ain't scared over here, bro.
Damn, I gotta take that off.
Edit that out.
I gotta edit that out. God damn, fool. Yeah.
Damn, I'm plugging YouTube.
Yeah, you know, you ain't had shit.
How the hell you get
Taking this shit sweet, huh? You got me cussing everything again. Dang. Yeah, they do.
That nigga was snitching.
They do. Yeah, they do. Get you enough followers. They gonna care.
His people here.
Get you enough followers. They gonna care.
They be rapping on their cussing, bro.
Like 30,000 followers. They gonna
You
be.
hear his music?
I'm gonna start dancing. I'm gonna start dancing.
They bumping that shit down there. That's security guard. Nah, this man. Look like these a bathroom bad as heck.
Hey, watch out for that film right there, man.
It's the bathroom. That's sexy thing, yeah. We're gonna come back on when I get done using it and stuff. We got some more action. How scared is you on a scale of 1 to 10? How scared is y'all niggas on a scale of 1 to 10?
I'm not scared.
How scared is you on a scale of 1 to 10? And do what? We ain't
11.
Damn. Scale of 1 to 10.
What?
How scared is you?
0.
Good, that's what's up.
It's my time to go. It's my time to go.
Looking at. Where the. I don't know.
Oh my gosh, it is little Lewis. I haven't seen him since he was so good.
This slow ass nigga put the slow ass. Dirty boot ass nigga, I'm on your ass, boy. Now I'm on your motherfucking Busta Rhymes looking ass. Boy, fuck around with your ass. Alright, turn your stupid ass up out here, boy. Fuck wrong with your MJG looking ass. I'm on your ass. Fuck wrong with your ass.
Get fast five with the good ass braids, bro.
Boy, fuck nah, nigga. On everything. Fuck nah.
Take a hoodie out, bro. This shit on first.
Man, right by us. They say, what's up to none of us?
That ass pothole coat up here.
I got the shotgun in my sock, fool. What you talking about, nigga? That bullshit off, man. Damn. What to do? What to do?
I want this nigga shit.
Everybody about leaving. It's getting about thin. It's out here. About thin and cold. Well, it ain't too thin. Kind of naked. Trying to hear him. Chop his leg wherever he went. shit, fool.
Damn, but one day we don't come down here, he ain't here. And his ass always told me, let's go.
Oh man, yeah, well, who be calling my name after they're doing this shit though? Oh man, get!
Okay, then, twin. How about that, twin? Yeah.
Fuck is my car? People still there. We got the whole gang behind us still though. We still together. Yeah, we stood together. That's why we all still here. Man, security guard was cool and everything, man. Everybody trying to spin it, and it got bad. Everybody trying to spin it, it got bad. My tire's bad. I don't know how long it's gonna last. So, we'll let y'all know when we get somewhere. Alright? Alright. Maybe at the gas station, man, checking tires.
Bro, that's crazy. Them just
Man, y'all got the footage right. Y'all got the footage right. Man, that's all I needed was the footage, man. I might go back early. I don't know what y'all gonna do. I might go back early. Them just on a prayer. Them just on a prayer tonight. Which Brandon? Me? My tire's on a prayer. I don't know.
I was about to have my shit too. I got that motor like shit. Let me go out here. You good? You ain't showing up wire just yet.
Nah, that's down. I'm just not gonna. I'm not gonna spin this whole at all. More part takeover style. Real loud wildin'. Y'all got my footage?
Hell yeah, I got your footage. Get the head back.
They turned up after me, didn't they, fool?
Man, I'm saying, go ahead while we all watching.
gas station, man. We had to wait on Woody, gotta get some damn gas. He don't know when to get gas. We stop at 3-4 gas stations. He don't want to get no gas. Then he want to wait till we finna go home and everything to get some gas. Then he wait till the last minute to get some gas. While we at the gas station though, it's a Ferrari right there. I ain't gonna put it on camera, but that's a Ferrari right there. Good, this. But that motherfucker so damn clean, fool. I done hit something fucking goddamn Hollis trying to do 1,000 miles an hour and try to be so too fast, too furious. I done hit a damn curb, man. Yeah, I hit a curb, man, but you can't even tell, man. You can't even tell I hit anything. It was such a low curve. I hit it like I hit like the what's it called? Hit the bottom of the thing. Man, I'm so mad about that, bro. Man, made me sick, fool. I don't care, fool. I'm irritated, fool. Hear that Ferrari, fool? Something to get that, that sound beautiful. That just sounds so good, man. Dang. Woo. Huh? Man, yeah, he gonna show out, man. He see all this shit, man. He gonna show out. Hey, between me your car for that, man. But he gonna do his thing. Ain't that junk clean? What's the odds we see a Ferrari while we downtown? Udi ain't got this footage. While he playing, Udi ain't got this footage. He gonna show out. Dang right, he gonna show out. This nigga.
NASCAR driving.
Last one, he done pulled up big. Keep revving the hose to the remote, oh god. Nasty. When you get it? When you get this? Who you get me?
What is that?
What?
Where is it?
Westwood. I ride on the gate, bro. I go to the Mississippi, bro. Where they had the motherfucking pits out there, all this shit, bro. Race out there every time, bro. I got
You bet Holly Spring?
a real race car, bro.
Real shit.
No bullshit. My shit ain't ride on the street.
Boy, if you don't.
These guys that shit. Hell no! Hell no! Hell no! Hell no! Do you fucked up, dude? Hell no! Hell no!
I'm gonna do you right. He gonna fuck you up.
Then look at him.
Boy, if you don't get. I be feeling like the man when I walk through. Ain't something what you saying when I'm.
Man, headed back to Jackson now, as you can see, man. It's super foggy outside. It's 1:54 in the morning. Sure, we got a 45-minute drive back home. Hopefully, we gotta look out for these deers. Hopefully, nothing pop out on us. Because a couple of people in the group got bad luck with the deers. So, hopefully, nothing bad happens. We're gonna knock on some wood. And then, I'm gonna let y'all know when we get there, hopefully. Alright, and we on threads too with these tires, as you can see in the previous. Man, we was spinning a little bit. Hopefully, we ain't too bald to get home. Because I do not want to leave it on the side of the highway. I do not trust that at all. So let's try to get there safe and sound. As you can see, this boy with a speed, and man, these back tires are wobbling. You can't hear it, you can't feel it, but I can feel it all in my back. So I'm gonna turn y'all back on when we get back closer to Jackson. All right. Turn the music down, man. Let's turn this music down, man. As y'all can see, man, we done made it back to the J. We done made it back, man. Folks trying to pull up on me, trying to race, man. Folks are already trying to get back at me. Already, man. Dang. Folks behind us. I'm going home. I'm going home. I don't know what they finna do. I'm finna go to the crib.
I think I might be able to whip up some content with the new 5.0 2023. Maybe. I gotta check and see what's up with that. We're gonna check on that and see. When we can, I'm definitely gonna bring that to y'all very, very soon if possible. Very, very soon if possible. Like next few days maybe. You know what I'm saying? So I might do a couple of vlogs this week. Ain't no telling, but when I get back to the house, we're gonna look at my car again. We're gonna make sure everything's right. And if not, we're gonna definitely get the footage in the morning with me jacking the car up, getting the footage of under it and see what I did, what the damage was and stuff like that, and how I'm fixing the problem for a permanent way instead of a temporary way, because I don't like that temporary stuff. Ain't no telling when it'll mess up again. So when I get to the crib, I'm gonna turn y'all back on.
All right, y'all, this the next day. I'm talking about, first of all, I done rolled some dookie in the yard. Second of all, I done really towed my ish up. You can't really see. I'm gonna try to get some footage later. I don't know if I'm putting this video or the next video. Like I said, I don't know if I'm gonna put it in this video or the next video. But I really towed my ish up. Y'all can't really see it, but no, we can't really see it from this angle, but I got some pictures I'm gonna throw in. I like messed up my engine cradle. Long story short, I hit a curb. I hit it in the middle of my car, so I rolled over. The bumper was too high, so it didn't hit the bumper. It hit the engine cradle, that part that protects the oil pan. So I gotta get that. Definitely gotta get the engine cradle swapped out. So, or I'm gonna get it welded back. But like I said, I'm gonna get y'all some new footage of it later. Maybe for this video or the next. But until then, this may be it. But if not, you'll know. So I'm gonna possibly tune back in after this. But if not, I'll see y'all on the next one. All right.
That's all, folks.